Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Joy Prakash Roy. Today I am showing a Photoshop tips. This is the most important tips on Photoshop designer. So let's get started. This is the image. Click on the rectangle tool and now I click on the image. White is 1080 and height 720. Click OK. This is a rectangle layer. Right click on the layer and convert to smart object. Is converted. Zoom in the screen and adjust the picture. Okay, one side is adjusted. Go to edit menu and free transform. Right click on the mouse, skew and adjusted the image. Okay, adjust it. Double click on the thumbnail. Open a new tab and I choose a new picture. This is my picture. Resize the picture. Ctrl T for transform. Zoom out and resize it. Okay. Go to file menu and just save. Only save it. Close the tab and save it. This is the before and this is the after.